Ebi byona bigambire nyuma abazi obw'abany'eishengyero ababire bebembirwe mukuru w'akakiiko Honorable Abany'eishengyero babere nibarambura zimu ha group mu district ya Sheema aharimo ya Young Innovators no muri Mbarara City abahirwe miliyoni 315 kurugo mu government ansi ya Ministry ya Sayansi na Tekinologiya nko muringo gumwe go kubatungura.
The former Ministry of Science and Technology had given money to a group of young people here. They were the young innovators to the tune of 315 million shillings to extract bioethanol from bananas.
Mazirebiro district ya Okutunguura kwijana Mbarara ahabo kuratira sente za innovation nari umurimo innovations ogukorwa mu universities.
Abany'eishengyero basimire group ya Sheema ne Mbarara ya Young Innovators abarukora sanitizer na wine kandi babashabire kuteka ipapuro birukwetagwa rero ishengyero ribashwijime baba bashemerire kuhebwa ubundu buyambi.
We give this team today to give us a copy of this MOU. Okay. Because the MOU has details of what stake you have and what stake is on the end of that.
Yeah. So this and we want to get the bottom of this. Also for purpose of the record of Parliament, we want your MOU with the Ministry of Science and Technology. We send the clerk.
Aba baraganisa abany'eishengyero kuteka ibyone bashabirwe mu biro bice kandi basibene na mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
The chairman of the committee really commended us for the work done because there are some funds aroho bakushoze sente bakasanga group kabura nono chikayo ukabuza ukasanga na group tine kuzireta tine kusanga
nga fermentation process netwara kuza producing wine no mazire myezi mukaga so chimasanga nono yetaga a big space kugira ngo ugire wine barambwire kugira ngo fermenting abebo kugira ngo you can be able to produce wine at any time.
Omugandi omuhezi wa RDC abwa district ya Mbarara Kaswaburi Peter Watch asimira abana enzaro za bare ababasekweje nisa offices barukoreramu kushakira ebyanga byabo barukora nkabeteri ne kushabo muri za ministry ezirimo MP ha omukwenda kukorera abantu
abariyo mu government abariyo mbicweke bikuru by'amani muno kwetu babasha kukosebe bicweka baba bariho kamanya abantu ebintu byona government ejine yenda nekundogo omuntu okuzayo yoreka yoreka kizibu cyaba nacho bwenu bareba no kutwaba tukoraki twamu ya this fund work on this road I hereby declare this work begin I launch it to start.
Ebi Kaswaburi abugamba rukutongoza umukoro gukora ruguto rwakatajoro vare omugombora ya vare orwo buringwa bwa kilometero n'obuceka bushatu orubarire kukororamo ubukikuru bwe sente uburukwingana miliyoni 30.
Ekinenguto ya kabiri ni watoronde ya road fund abo ko inguto yitwanza watamusente ze gombora twashara ngo gatizamara habura maramu mwenu uko na mbarazi nyenka bagambira ikizubu kiri ya ground abo bisha bakireba bagena baronda sente ministry
gombora katawe sente za road fund kongana bareba koma ama sente skizo mu magombora zibazirike mu zikabasa kukora kazamu
abarigere kuturobinjira ivini nebitanda 10 tutira hariyo mu yitwaro ya rubare nabwo ejo tushemerwa abantu bitu urwo mushweka mukacereza n'ikuru munongo
gasha komayo katwakire na nyine Fred.